Getting a table.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
How many people?
Just one.
Do you have a reservation?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Let me check for an available table.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting. We have one table available.
Great.
We have two choices.
Okay.
One table is near the window, the other is near the kitchen.
I'd like the window table.
That's a popular seat. It will be ready in about 5 minutes.
That's fine. I can wait.
Thank you. Please have a seat here while you wait.
Thanks. This restaurant looks nice.
Thank you. We're happy to hear that.
Is it usually this busy?
Around lunchtime, yes. Many office workers come here.
I see. Is this your most popular restaurant?
Yes, we've been here for over 10 years.
That's impressive.
Thank you. Your table is ready now.
Wonderful.
Please follow me.
Sure.
Here we are. Is this table okay?
Yes, it's perfect.
You have a nice view from here.
I like it already.
Here is your menu. We also have an English menu.
Really? Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like some water first?
Yes, please.
Still water or sparkling water?
Still water, please.
Would you like ice?
Just a little, please.
No problem. I'll bring your water right away.
Thank you.
Please take your time with the menu.
I will. Everything looks delicious.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Actually, I do have a few questions.
Of course. I'll be happy to help.
Thank you.
I'll come back in a few minutes.
Sounds good. I'll be ready.
Looking at the menu.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. I have a few questions.
Of course. I'm happy to help.
Thank you. There are so many choices.
Yes, our menu is quite large.
What is your most popular dish?
Our cheeseburger is the best seller.
It looks good. Is it very big?
Yes, it is a large meal.
I don't think I can finish that.
Then I recommend the grilled chicken.
Is it healthy?
Yes, it comes with vegetables and rice.
That sounds nice. Is it spicy?
No, it has a mild flavor.
That's perfect. Do you have any vegetarian dishes?
Yes, we have a mushroom pasta. We also have a vegetable salad.
I like mushrooms. Is the pasta popular?
Very popular. Many customers order it.
Good to know. Can I see a picture?
Certainly. Here are the pictures.
Everything looks delicious.
I agree. It's hard to choose.
I have another question.
Go ahead.
Which drink goes well with the grilled chicken?
I recommend iced tea. Lemonade is also a good choice.
I think I'll have iced tea.
Great choice.
Does it come with free refills?
Yes, you can have one free refill.
That's great. Do you have any soup today?
Yes, today's soup is tomato soup.
Is it included with the meal?
No, it's an extra $3.
I see. I'll skip the soup today.
No problem.
I think I'm almost ready.
Take your time.
Thank you.
I'll come back in a few minutes.
Sounds good? I know what I want now.
Perfect. I'll be right back.
Ordering food.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am.
What would you like today?
I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Great choice. Would you like rice or mashed potatoes?
Rice, please.
No problem. Would you like some vegetables with it?
Yes, please. I like vegetables.
Excellent. Would you like any soup today?
No, thank you. Just the main dish.
Okay. Would you like a drink?
Yes. I'll have an iced tea.
Would you like lemon?
Yes, please.
Would you like ice?
Just a little ice.
Certainly.
I also have one request.
Of course. What is it?
Can you cook the chicken well done?
Absolutely. We can do that.
Thank you.
Do you have any food allergies?
Yes. I'm allergic to peanuts.
Thank you for telling me. I'll let the kitchen know.
I appreciate that.
No problem. Would you like any sauce?
What do you recommend?
Our garlic sauce is very popular.
Is it spicy?
No, it's creamy and mild.
I'll try that.
Great. Anything else?
Can I have extra vegetables instead of fries?
Certainly. There is no extra charge.
That's great.
Let me repeat your order.
Okay.
1 grilled chicken, rice instead of mashed potatoes, extra vegetables, garlic sauce, 1 iced tea with lemon, light ice. The chicken will be well done, no peanuts. Is everything correct?
Yes, that's exactly what I ordered.
Wonderful. Your meal will be ready in about 15 minutes.
That's not too long.
I'll bring your drink first.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please enjoy your time.
I will. Thank you very much.
I'll see you soon with your drink.
Sounds good.
The wrong order.
Here is your meal.
Thank you. It looks delicious.
Enjoy your meal.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I think there's a problem.
I'm sorry. What's wrong?
I ordered the grilled chicken, but this is a cheeseburger.
Let me check your order.
Sure.
You're right. We made a mistake.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
Thank you for understanding. I'll bring the correct meal right away.
Thank you.
It will take about 10 minutes.
No problem. I'll wait.
While you're waiting, would you like another drink?
Yes, please. I'd like another iced tea.
Of course. This one is on the house.
Really? Thank you very much.
You're welcome. We appreciate your patience.
It's no problem.
Here is your grilled chicken.
Thank you. This looks right.
I checked it carefully. Everything should be correct now.
Perfect. Thank you for fixing the mistake.
We're happy to help. Is there anything else I can get for you?
No, thank you. Everything looks great now.
Enjoy your meal.
I will. Thank you again.
My pleasure. I'll check on you later.
Sounds good.
Paying the bill.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Could I have the bill, please?
Of course. Did you enjoy your meal?
Yes. Everything was delicious.
I'm glad to hear that.
Thank you for your help today.
You're very welcome. I'll bring your bill right away.
Thank you.
Here is your bill.
Thanks. Oh, I couldn't finish everything.
Would you like it to go box?
Yes, please. I'd like to take it with me.
Certainly. I'll be right back.
Thank you.
Here's your to-go box.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
My pleasure.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can. Please tap your card here.
Okay. Done.
The payment was approved.
Great.
Would you like a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. By the way, this was my first time here.
Really? We're happy you came.
I'll definitely come back.
We'd love to see you again soon.
I'll recommend this restaurant to my friends.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.
Everyone was very kind.
We really appreciate that.
Thanks for the wonderful service.
It was our pleasure.
Have a great day.
You too. Have a safe trip.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We hope to see you again soon.